So in Ascension WoW, this happens quite a bit where we get these mana storm. Where's my mouse? Here it is. We get these groups, they're mana storm leveling groups, which you can have them at max level as well. It's pretty awesome. But got a couple things that are really handy. One, when you're in this mana storm leveling group, you can have a group of any size. You've got this endless mana storm potion, which you can basically use at any point in time. And it's got, as you can see, a really short cooldown. So you know, even if I am low on mana, I can usually pop one of these potions and get some mana back. Or let's say I need like a real quick heal, I can also use that, and it's usually a pretty decent heal as well. You can also see that as we're doing this, we're getting like a massive range of different instances, and these range based on the character's level. I shouldn't say your level, it's more like it scales our level to the boss's level. So like, you know, you might see this guy that I'm healing right now, he's level 26. But this is more of like a level 50, 55 range dungeon that this is built for. Yeah, and this guy here, he's level 37, but you look at my level, I'm level 58. Yeah, here these guys are doing this dungeon with me. It's pretty darn cool that you can do this. And it doesn't matter if people die as long as the whole group doesn't die. Because as soon as we clear whichever boss that this is set or intended to be for, we get rezzed and we all start right back up like nothing happened. You use mana, you still have to usually mana up. Unless you died. And one of the things I intend on doing with this character, you might see that I'm just, you know, taking whatever spells and abilities I get, and that is true. I intend, though, on being a healer with this character. So I am getting like a good number of like heals, but I'm also getting a lot of damaging abilities. In fact, a lot of the abilities that I haven't even like fully trained on them yet. So I'm like using them at a lower level. Like these guys are not even getting like the best that I have to offer. If you look at my DPS meter on the right, you'll see like some of these guys, even though they're a lower level, they're doing like a ridiculous amount of damage. Like this Neforsurth guy that's at the top of my meter is doing 26k damage, which is pretty good. Let's see if I can find him on my raid frames. I don't see him. He's clearly there because he's doing a ton of damage, but ooh, shadow missiles. Now that's an interesting ability. I'm kind of interested to know more about that one. I have a basically warlock shadow damage character that I've already leveled to level 70. I made this character just kind of show you guys what it's like to level on Ascension. I mean, in all honesty, it's pretty fun. Here I am standing in the poison. Oh, I'm healing the guy that's doing all the damage. Okay. So I'm gonna focus on him, make sure he doesn't die, because I want to keep those high damage people around. And this is going a lot slower level-wise in comparison to the group I had yesterday, because they gave me a mana potion, or not mana potion, a potion that increased my leveling speed. But if you look at my buffs, you'll see that I'm still getting 30% extra. Not to mention that when you do mana storms, which I think this is pretty neat. Let's see, I think it's actually close everything. I go into the mana storm. When you're doing these, you get extra XP. So in addition to the 30%, we're getting an extra 6% based on the level. So this, you can see right here, we're on level 22, and it says 6.3% XP that we're getting from doing this. Thankfully, this Endless Mana Storm potion, it scales based on like how much health you have. So if this guy's geared, he very well might be, he's going to get a lot of help. Like my healing is a help, but it's not going to be like a complete make or break as to whether or not we successfully complete this instance. And I think we did this one like a few minutes ago. I died in the fire. Yeah, we just lost somebody. I don't know who, but we lost somebody. I'm low. I don't want to die. Oop. Oh, yeah, he stunned me and I got stuck in the fire. Let's see if these guys can do it. He's at 45%. The guy that does the top damage looks like he's still alive, but whether or not he's using his potion, he is. He's using his potion. I can see it. As long as they beat this boss, we'll all be right back up and we'll be right back at it again. Thought it'd be kind of fun to show you this in the meantime. My intention is, once I'm all done, I'm going to go re-roll all of my abilities. Or not all of them, but anything that's like a damage ability or something that's not like a good crowd control or something for surviving. And we're down to one guy. It might take them a little while, but we should be able to do it. But I want to take all my abilities, re-roll them, and go full healer spec. So that way, if like I'm doing battlegrounds or raids, and we just don't have a healer, then I can make a switch to a healer type character. Oh, we made it. Nice. I was starting to think that we weren't going to make it, but we did. Looks like everybody's going this way. I think he, I think I stood in the fire. This dungeon can be a little nuts too, like you just end up doing everything. All these guys have to do really is go into the bubble. They'll stop attacking and then they can just reset and res the rest of us. They might have a couple of these guys they're going to have to knock out, but That was our top damage guy. And of course this potion is not like, it's got a 6-second cooldown, so if you're taking enough damage. And we got somebody that's still up, but looks like they're going to be down any second now. Oh. So one of the other things that's neat about this is you also get, so there's usually 3 potions here. Yeah, here it is. You get the regeneration remix, which what that does is that allows you to res other players. So even though we screwed up this part, oh, we even had a lot of people that left. So if I leave, yep, he's bringing me back because I'm the healer, or a healer. We'll see what these guys want to do. I wouldn't be surprised if they all just left. But when people aren't dumb, the leveling goes really, really fast. Oh, and the boss is over here. So everybody was going the wrong way. We were fighting stuff we didn't even need to fight. Alright, let's hope I can keep these guys up enough. Oh, he's still alive. Ah. Well, we might be dead here. 'Cause I'm going to need this guy to take the aggro, so I'm going to be pummeled. Nope. Alright, well, I'm next. I got nothing to beat this guy. Well, and it was an instance with like 15 people in it, so I think if we regroup, we'll probably be able to handle it just fine. Nope. Alright, looks like these guys are done.